Pollinators are the unsung heroes of our gardens, quietly doing one of nature's most vital jobs. When we think of pollination, we often picture bees buzzing around flowers, but many creatures are involved. Bees, butterflies, moths, beetles, birds, bats, and even small mammals all help move pollen from flower to flower. This simple act of pollination allows plants to produce fruits, seeds, and new life. Without pollinators, much of our food and the beauty of our gardens would simply not exist. Over 75% of flowering plants rely on animal pollinators to reproduce, including many of our favorite fruits and vegetables. Bees are among the most efficient pollinators, thanks to their hairy bodies that trap pollen easily. Bumblebees perform buzz pollination, vibrating their bodies to shake pollen loose from flowers like tomatoes and blueberries. Butterflies and moths, with their long tongues, reach deep into flowers, spreading pollen as they move gracefully. Even hummingbirds, with their vibrant colors, act as pollinators while feeding on sweet nectar. Pollinators don't just help plants reproduce, they shape entire ecosystems. When plants thrive, they provide food and shelter for countless other species. Fruits, seeds, and nuts, produced through pollination, feed birds, insects, and mammals, linking pollinators to their survival. In a healthy garden, more flowers mean more food for insects, attracting birds and small mammals, creating a balanced web of life. Pollinators also impact humans directly. Many of our favorite foods depend on them. Without pollinators, the variety and availability of fruits and vegetables would drastically decline. In economic terms, pollinators contribute billions to global food production each year. But their value goes beyond numbers. They enrich our lives with beauty and movement in our gardens. Pollinators face serious challenges like habitat loss, pesticide use, pollution, and climate change. Urbanization has reduced natural habitats where pollinators can find food and shelter. Pesticides harm bees and other beneficial insects, making it harder for them to survive. Climate change shifts flowering seasons, complicating the search for blooms when pollinators need them most. The good news? We can all help by creating pollinator-friendly gardens. Planting a variety of native flowers that bloom throughout the seasons provides a steady food source. Avoiding harmful chemicals protects pollinators from toxic exposure. Providing water sources like shallow dishes with stones gives bees and butterflies a safe place to drink. Even small actions, like letting a corner of your garden grow wild, can make a big difference. Pollinators remind us of the deep connections within nature. Their work may seem small, but its impact is enormous. Every fruit that ripens, every flower that blooms, owes its existence to these tireless creatures. By caring for pollinators, we're not just protecting them, we're preserving the balance of life itself. Our gardens become healthier, our food systems stronger, and our planet more vibrant. So next time you see a bee buzzing or a butterfly resting, appreciate their role. They are nature's gardeners, the silent workers keeping our ecosystems alive and thriving.